Most of you should be using the interface RankerX 2.0 as I've mentioned because I have previously created many accounts in RankerX 1.3. So here I'm still using 1.3. The 1.3, the sites are exactly, I think they are exactly the same. They are updated at the same time as RankerX 2.0. All my articles are now being imported into this folder. It's all related with one particular topic. The next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to um, send I'm going to send post articles into my previously created accounts. And here, before you do that, here you have to change this to 0. Change to this to from 0 to 1. Because if it is 0, it means it's going to reuse the same article again and again. Although I have more than 8,000 articles, I still want the software only to use it one time. Next, we shall look at the settings. For general setting, it controls how many threads it shall be working. Number of retries, I think just put 1 if it failed. For the first time, then it's going to fail. I'm not chasing after the highest success rate. Max number of threads, I tried to change this to like 100 or 50. My VPS is powerful enough to handle it, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to leave it at 20. I am a little bit confused with these two, the browser threads and max number of threads. Uh, Although I have been using it for a while, but I'm still confused. What is the difference? It seems here it is can be entered a bigger number. Here is only 1 to 10, so I entered 10. Proxy, you have to use proxy and make sure you tick this box. Tick this one, and I only entered 1. The reason for that is the accounts have already been created, so I just want to have a layer between my VPS and the the sites I'm going to post. I don't want them to mark my VPS, the server IP. Um, you need to click on check proxy, make sure it is good. For captcha, I'm not going to click it because it's going to show my captcha key. I'll change the dimension of the video. Give me a second. For captcha, there are two types of captcha and Google no captcha. I'm not sure why it has as no captcha. Shouldn't it be reCAPTCHA? Well, anyway, so here, because I'm using Xrummer's Xevo, I don't know how to pronounce that. I just say it as Xevo. For Xevo, you select remote OCR server, then enter your server address, IP, comma, then the port number. You also need to enter the K, which is below this screen. You also need to click on check balance to make sure it is connecting properly. Google reCAPTCHA, just enable Google no captcha solving. I guess it means reCAPTCHA. Here use a backup service. Well, I have a friend who use 2CAPTCHA because the Xevo can only solve v2, they can't solve v3, but I'm going to skip this because as mentioned I have already have these accounts created. So that's all for the setting. In the options section, the left panel, you have turbo visors. Basically, you use it to control the flow of the work and visors. And here, if you click it, you go here. I use this section to modify the template. When you click into this, it looks empty. Then you click on Open Diagram. I can modify the diagram here. There are a lot of diagrams. Well, people probably argue one is more useful than the other. I have asked a few people who use RankerX very well. I don't think there are a lot of difference in terms of using it. Some people use it randomly, but that BHW member, Learn SEO, I think he has his own strategy on how to use it. Link pyramid SEO, click select, then the template will be loaded here.